Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. Today we read Understanding Computer Today and Tomorrow. Why I learn about computers and technology. Computers are now part of everyday life. Technology is used in banking, shopping, education, communication, entertainment, etc. Modern devices like phones, TV, appliances are increasingly integrated with computing. Knowing basic computer skills gives us a strong advantage in today's digital world. Computer in the past, all of us know. Before 1980, computers were large, expensive, and used by experts only, limited to business and scientific tasks. Average people did not have access or knowledge. Microcomputer in 1980 made computer cheaper and more common. Impact of computer today. Computers and smartphones are used for email, browsing, shopping, education, and office work. Communication, social media, entertainment. Many devices have merged into multifunctional smart devices. Computers are essential tools in almost every job. Smartphones can access internet, email, games, music, photos, videos, and used for calls and many additional features. A major example of computer based convergence technology. Pre-computers, early computers before 1946. Early devices included abuses, slide rule, punctuate cards, Herman Holtran's punctuate card machine used in US censuses led to formation of IBM used mainly for arithmetic data processing. First generation computers, very large machines occupying entire rooms, used vacuum tubes, needed constant maintenance and consumed a lot of power. Programs had to be wired physically into the machine. Fourth generation computer 1971 present based on microphone processors led to personal computers like IBM, BC and Apple Macintosh. Introduction of operating system, keyboard, mouse, development of networks and internet. Fifth generation computers now and future based on artificial intelligence can think, learn and make decisions including voice recognition, robotic neutral books. Embedded computers, but inside everyday devices not visible as a separate computer, perform specific tasks only. Found in cars, microwaves, washing machines, ATMs, medical equipment. Low power, small size, and limited memory. Work automatically without user control. Mobile up slide to mobile devices. The devices which we can take from one place to another place are called mobile devices like small handheld computing devices easy to carry and battery powered. Examples smartphones, tablets, and e readers. Used for communication, internet, entertainment apps, touch screen interference, portable, and multifunctional. Personal computer designed for one person use more powerful than mobile devices types desktops computer laptops used for office work gaming programming study and professional tasks have keyboard mouse storage monitor and operating system. Slide 4 portable computers computer designed for mobility can be carried easily. Example laptop notebooks ultrabooks and tablets lightweight rechargeable and used for work on the go. Servers powerful computer that provide services for to the other computer store and manage data websites email files and applications used by companies schools banks and websites high memory fast processor always running. Example uses website hosting database management good storage. Overview types of hardware input devices keyboard mouse scanner camera and touchpad stylus. Now we read chapter number 2 Hardware. Digital data and computer hardware review. Digital data representation. Data represented in binary 0 and 1. Computer understand only electrical signals, text, numbers, images, audio converted into binary codes. Bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, and terabyte units of storage. Slide 2 Number systems. Binary base 0 and 1. Octal base 0 to 7. Decimal base 10 0 to 9 used in daily life. Hexadecimal base 16 0 to 9 and A and F. Conversion between these systems. Coding system 7-bit, 8-bit code for characters, Unicode supports all languages and symbols, BCD yani binary coded decimal digits in binary form, rare used in mainframes. Audio data representation. Audio is represented as digital signals yani samples. Sampling rate example 44.1 kilohertz, bit depth 8 bit, 16 bit, 24 bit. higher sampling, better quality. Slide 5. Motherboard. Main circuit board of computer connects CPU, RAM, storage, GPU ports, contains cheapest expansion slots, control communication between components. Processor and CPU, brain of computer, central processing unit as known as brain of computer, performs calculations and instructions. Components: ALU arithmetic logic unit, CU control unit, registers. Example: Intel AMD processor. Processing speed measured in hertz, usually gigahertz. When a gigahertz is equal to 1 billion cycles seconds. Factor of factoring speed, clock speed, cores. Cache memory size, arithmetic. Cache memory, very fast memory inside CPU stores, frequently used in instructions. Level 1 to 3 cache, reduce time to access time, increases performance. RAM, random access memory, temporary working memory, stores data, program currently in use. Volatile data lost when power off. Types: DDR3, DDR4, DDR5. More RAM is equal to better multitasking. Summary: digital data stored in binary CPU process. Data motherboard connects components. Cache, very fast memory. RAM, short term active memory. Coding number system convert thumb data machine format. Summary: storage media. Chapter 3: Storage media are physical devices used to store data permanently. They keep data even the computer is turned off. Example: hard drives, SSDs, USB flash drives, memory cards, CDs, DVDs. Random access versus sequential access. Random access: any piece of data can be reached directly. Fast access used in hard drives, SSDs, RAM. Sequential access: data is accessed in order one by one. Slow access used in magnetic tapes. Hard drives use magnetic patterns to store data, having a spinning disk and a read-write head. Cheaper but slower. Large storage capacity, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte. Solid state drives, SSDs, no moving parts. Use flash memory for storage, much faster, more reliable, and quieter than HDDs. More expensive. Magnetic hard drives, another name for HDDs. Store data using magnetic patterns, vulnerable to shocks because they have moving parts. Internal versus external storage. Internal storage installed inside the computer. Examples: internal HDD, internal SSD used for system files and applications. External storage connected from outside using USB or cable. Example: external HDD, external SSD, USB drive. Used for backups, sharing, portability. Optical discs use laser light to read write data. Example: CD, DVD, Blu-ray becoming less common today. Optical drives that read write optical devices. CD-ROM only discs can store about 700 MB. Used for software, music, books. DVD-ROM read only digital video disc stores 4.7 GB to 8.5 GB more than CD. Used for movies, games, software. Embedded flash memory built inside devices uses flash storage found in smartphones, tablet, cameras, smart TVs, fast and reliable. Chapter 4: Input and Output Devices. Summary: what are input devices? Input devices are hardware used to enter data and commands input to a computer. Common input devices: keyboard, most common input device used for typing text, numbers, and commands. Mouse, pointing device used to click, drag, and select items. Stylus, pen-like device used for writing or drawing on touch screen. Digital writing system convert handwriting into digital text used in tablets and signature pads. Graphic tablets are pads used with a stylus, popular for drawing, designing, and animation. Gaming devices, game controllers, joysticks used for controlling games. Provide buttons, triggers, and movement sensors. Trackball work like an upside down mouse. Ball is rotated to move the pointer. Scanner captures images or documents and converted them to digital form used for photos, forms, books. Readers: barcode reader, QR scanner, card reader. Barcode reader reads product barcodes. QR scanner reads QR codes. Car Card readers read memory cards or ATM credit cards. Digital camera captures still photos and videos. Images can be transferred to computer. Audio input devices used for record sound. Example: microphone, headset, voice recorder. What are output devices? Output devices show the result of processed data from the computer. Display devices, visual output monitor, main display device types: LED, LCD, OLED. Projector display onto a large screen used in classroom and meeting. Smart boards, interactive display and screens. used in education and presentations. Short overall summary: input devices help user enter data while output devices help computer show result. Example include keyboards, mics, styluses, scanners, cameras, and audio devices for input, and monitor and projector for output. This was our topic that we read and study.